Lifetime free fake call feature is provided by KaranKavach.com, Android and iOS application, which is getting launched soon. It is a social media app for men, women, and kids security. If you're stuck in an unwanted meeting, or maybe a boring relative function, or maybe you want to go to meet someone else and you are stuck in any meeting, or maybe you are on a date, or maybe you are going for a date, or maybe if you want to show other person that you are talking to your family or father, so that other person cannot harm you at that particular time, you can schedule a fake call on karanKavach.com and you will get a fake call in the same way in which original call comes. If you are on a date or in a meeting, you will get a scheduled fake call and you can pretend that you have to leave because you got call from father or family. If you are suffering domestic violence, or maybe you are on a trip with offensive partner, so while using fake call, you can pretend that you got emergency call from your father and you have to go there immediately and you can leave that place. Let's see how you can use fake call feature.
Click upon fake call. You can select caller name, caller any random number. You can capture image of the caller, or maybe you can select any fake call picture as well. Downside, you can select time, at what date and at what time call should come up, or maybe you can select now as well, or maybe after 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour. For now I'm selecting now. I'm clicking upon setup fake call. Once you set up fake call via selecting now, within 1 to 2 seconds call will come. Call has come, you can answer it. You can click upon receive call, and over here you can see that call has come from the father. This is the number which you have given, this is the picture of the father which you have selected. Now you can pretend that you are talking to your father. Once it is done, you can end the call. Once you have done fake call settings, it will be pretty easy to use it again. Go to fake call, all the settings will be maintained. Click upon now and click upon setup fake call. So you don't have to enter any of the settings again. Fake call will use the earlier add data. Fake call has come. Enter it. You can receive the call. Now once the requirement is over, you can end the call.
I am Rakesh, working as CEO and CTO on KaranKavach.com. KaranKavach.com upcoming features like fake call, fake police siren, detection of hidden camera, spy camera, call to nearest police officer, source, then lifetime free unlimited chat, call, file transfer, donate to society, collect donations from society. Will blow your mind. Don't forget to download our app from Google Play Store. We are launching on 20th January 2025. Download our app and protect your family. Keep on nurturing the society with inevitable protection. Protect your family with our app.